Hello, smart champion. This is Miss I here again. And in our reading corner today, we'll be looking at different sounds and their alternatives. The first one we'll be looking at today is hey, a. And a can come in three different forms. We have AI, and let me show you that AI. We can also have it as AY. We can also have it as A dash E. The dash here means that there is a consonant in between it. But when you're pronouncing it, you're still going to use the A sound. So A can be found in AI, as in AY, and A dash E. Now the first word we have here, we have sn, A, R, N, R, A, aim, brain, drain, afraid, grain, again, stain. Now let's look at the phonograms that we have here. SN sounds n, BL sounds br, DL sounds d, GL sounds g, and ST sounds st, st. So let's go to AY. A, we have it as d, a, s, a, play, crayons, away, and Tuesday. A, PL. Now let's look at phonogram here. PL sounds pl, play. CL, Then let's go to A dash E. We have sn, ache, it, ape, g, m, k, ache, r, ache, ts, ew, s, if, ts, ip, l, ik, pl, in, st, ew. Now let's look at our phonograms. They are also known as consonant blends. So let's go. SN sounds n. What do we have again? PL sounds pl, and ST sounds still. So we have A as in AI, A as in AY, and A dash E as in A.